Welcome back to How to Daily. If you are planning to travel to Europe and need a Schengen Visa, one of the requirements is travel insurance. In today's video, I will show you how to get the right travel insurance to meet Schengen Visa requirements. First, you need to know the specific requirements for travel insurance. Your policy must cover at least 30,000 in medical expenses and be valid for all Schengen countries. Look for insurance providers that offer Schengen compliant policies. Popular options include Alliance, AXA, and Europe Assistance. Make sure the policy meets the coverage requirements and is recognized by the Schengen consulates. So once you have found the suitable policy, purchase it online. You will usually receive the insurance certificate via email, which you will need to print and include with your visa application. Now, attach the insurance certificate to your Schengen visa application. Make sure it clearly shows the coverage amount and duration, matching in the dates of your planned travel. And that's how you get travel insurance for your Schengen visa. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.